Welcome everybody to the 10th Annual Community Champions Conference, celebrating champions.
What a journey it's been, I'd say. Meeting people from different walks of life, seeing the impact that you can make when you all work together.
You feel you're doing something for somebody.
I feel so fortunate and lucky to get to work with people who are quite inspirational.
And it's been a wonderful experience getting to engage with the community.
The community champions are an integral part of our public health team. They're rooted into our community and they bring that community voice back into everything we do.
We want to build on the invaluable community insights you offer as trusted voices for your communities, to the Council and to local health services, which in turn helps us to achieve our priorities and tailor our policies and programmes to the needs of our residents.
Thank you on my behalf, but also on the whole of Westminster and Kensington, for the work you do to support our most vulnerable residents in some areas and all those residents of whom we serve. Enjoy the day, everyone. Thank you.
There's now 13 projects, 195 active champions taking part, and 51 of those have actually found themselves into employment. So that is incredible.
From the success of the pilot, we actually rolled the project out to the whole of Westminster. So we now have 5 different maternity champion projects across Westminster that are doing fantastic work with women and families during pregnancy and with babies up to 1 year old.
Today I'm actually here as a project worker. Last year I was a champion. So I've seen both sides of it, and it's really a fantastic volunteer project to be part of.
We have a lot of multiple issues in our community, but the spirit of the champions is what holds it together.
It's my first year, about November was a year, and I've never felt so happy in my life.
I like trying to help people, but also using those healthy outcomes as well.
Use that space and use that voice to really promote what you do and what matters to you, because collectively this is how we're going to actually address the key challenges.
The Community Champions program has given me a confidence to get back to work and study.
A year into being a champion, I'm now employed by Dargano Trust, and I'm helping to run some really amazing projects.
It has given me a lot of opportunity to learn new skills.
I joined the team because I needed something to get me out of the house and to meet others in my community.
I love working with people to make change and create positive change in their lives.
Today has been brilliant about showing what the community champions are all about, and that's about amplifying the voice of our local residents. I work in a policy area, and what we need to do in our policy is make sure we're hearing those voices, putting in programs that are going to support to address health inequalities.
In the new landscape of the NHS, as we move into integrated care systems and place-based partnerships, it's really important that we continue our relationships and build that trust with our community champions, because again, they are our insights, they're our ears and eyes around what is happening at a local level.
I think it is incredibly important, because not just to help people volunteering who then move into jobs, but the work they do in the community, building networks which provide support for people, makes a huge difference.
The future is the community champions. All the national evidence, all the local evidence tell us that we cannot deliver on the NHS and healthcare and any public sector organisation without working and collaborating with communities.
Looking to the future, we know that that can only grow. There's so much space for us to reach people who are maybe at home not feeling supported, feeling isolated.
The Community Champion is a great initiative, and definitely I would love to see it spread nationally as well, even across London as well.
I wrote you a poem of thank you. I hope you know just how amazing you are.
I've travelled many places, some near, some far, but in all my time, I didn't find people as kind as you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Volunteering is the backbone of our civil society. We are all much enriched by what you do. So thank you